I've been doing that quite a bit because I do this live Q&A. So I could be there for 3 hours and I feel like I'm just talking to myself. Like there's no one else in the room. My dad walks in there like he's, like this zipper open and without shoot. I don't think he gets that on the other side of this camera are up to 300 people sometimes, right? So, because when you stand back and you look at it, I'm like, he just sees me talking to myself. He must think I'm like crazy or something.
He just leaves you alone.
But I take it seriously because I'm like, no, there's 300 people in the other side of this lens. Like, I'm doing the thing and I'm answering the questions, and I'm like doing the thing. But I totally get what you're saying, that it feels weird to be inside in a room by yourself, just doing a thing, trying to have a conversation. You know what I mean? Like,
and that's why it makes the most sense. What actually felt the best was, talking with someone else, kind of bouncing ideas off. I think this. What do you think? No, I don't think that's the case. Well, why not? Oh, it's because of this. Oh, I hadn't seen it that way. It's and you kind of bouncing ideas. It's like there's this energy that's moving around. That's like, you get to learn something from the other person. And you get to show them something that they've never seen. They show you something that you've never seen. It's a different dynamic, So I have enjoyed the audio format.
Oh, I see.
That's interesting. But I think ultimately it's just a stepping stone for me to do the video.